Very good morning, dear student. So, welcome for today's lecture. Right. So, this is our chapter, that is solid dosage form. Right. Already we began it. Right. So, we covered this. We will cover this content. Right. So, yesterday we discussed right about the introduction regarding the solid dosage form. Then, in which the powder, we also discussed the powder. Right. So, in powder we covered the definition, right, and some related information regarding powder, right. Then we also discussed the advantage of powder, the disadvantages, right. Then also some portion from method of preparation of powder, that is means how to prepare powder, right. There is some steps, that is powdering, weighing, mixing, right. Then we also cover the crystalline substance, right. So this all content we already seen in our yesterday lecture, right. So this is the our today's topic, that is mixing of powders, right. Mixing of powders, this is come under the method of preparation of powder, right. For preparing the powder we need to mix up that all ingredient, right. So there is some kind of methods which are generally adopted for mixing the powders, right. That is spatulation, the first method, then trituration, then geometric dilutions, then shifting, then tumbling. These are the 5 kind of methods which are generally adopted for preparing a powder dosage form, right. So let's see one by one. The first is spatulation, right. Its name self indicate that is spatula, right. You are familiar with this, you are a pharmacist, right. You are a pharma student, you are familiar with this, that is a spatula. With the help of spatula, the ingredients which are needed to prepare a powder are mixed, right, on a sheet or porcelain tile, right. So first is, that is the powder mixed with the help of spatula on paper sheet or porcelain tile, right. That is means all ingredient which are needed to prepare powders, that are mixed with the help of spatula on either paper sheet or porcelain tiles, right. This is the method, spatulation method of mixing, right. This method is useful in mixing, right. Means when that method spatulation are adopted, or how this spatulation help us for preparing the powder, right. That is small quantity of powder, right. Whenever we need to prepare a small quantity of powder, that time generally the spatulation, the method of mixing we are suggested or referred, right. That is when we need to prepare small quantity of powder, right, in a small number. When we need to prepare small quantity of powder, that time the spatulation are adopted, right. Then liquefying solid substance or eutectic mixture, right. In case of, if the our powder is or ingredient is liquefying character, right, or a eutectic mixture, that time also the spatulation method are suggested, right. You know the eutectic mixture, right. Lower melting point, that is eutectic mixture means the lower melting point substance mixed together, then it get liquefy or makes a soft mass, right. That is a eutectic mixture, right. You know it, I already discussed it in our previous lecture, right. Then liquefying, then eutectic mixture like substance or liquefying substance or solids, we need to prepare a powder form, that time for the mixing purpose the spatulation method are adopted, right. Then spatulation not suitable for large quantity of powder. This is the one disadvantages of our spatulation method, right? And this is the advantages, right? Liquefying solid substance or eutectic mixture are easily mixed with spatulation method, right? But spatulation method are not suitable for large quantity of drug, right? When we need to prepare a large volume or large quantity of powder, right, that time spatulation method is not suitable, or we generally we not adopt it for the large quantity of preparation of large quantity of powder, right? That is, the large quantity of powder are preparing in industry level, right? In industry level, right? Large quantity powder are generally prepared in industry level, right? That time the spatulation method are not adopted, right? Or powder containing more than one potent substance, right? If powder contain more than one potent substance, that time also, if powder contain more than one potent substance, that time also, for the mixing purpose, the spatulation method are not adopted, right, or not employed. The potent substance, the potents mean potent substance means the substance which has high power or high strength in a small dose, right? मीन्स ज़्यादा पावरफुल जो सब्सटेंस होता है, जो कि ड्रग होता है, जैसा कि ये ज़्यादा पावरफुल है या फिर ज़्यादा उसका स्ट्रेंथ है, तो उसको हम पोटेंट सब्सटेंस बोलेंगे, राइट? सो दिस इज अबाउट द स्पेचुलेशन. Then our second method of mixing for powder, that is trituration. That is trituration. Then our second method is trituration. Actually, this method we are used in our practical lab, right? Most of time, you know the you are familiar with the mortar and pestle, right? Already you have worked with these apparatus, right? Mortar and pestle, right? So trituration, it helps to reduce the particle size and mixing of powder, right? It helps to reduce particle size and mixing of powder. See, the in case of spatulation, in which only mixing is done, right? In which only mixing is done, right? There is no happening of particle size reduction, right? But in trituration method, in which we can reduce the particle size as well as mix up the ingredient, right? Means there is a two kind of works happening, right? That is reduce particle size and mixing of powder. So it is, so this method is become a very adoptable, right? Because generally this method are used. Then when reduction of powder size along with mixing required, that time this method adopted. Means when we need particle size reduction along with mixing, that time the trituration are used, because it helps to reduce the particle size, right? And also the in powder dosage form, particle size matter most of thing, right? Particle size plays a very important role. If the particle size is less, that time the powder will properly absorb or distribute, right? That's why we can easily adopt can produce a or achieve a desired pharmaceutical action. That's why particle size plays a very important role regarding the powder dosage form, right? Lesser the particle size, that time the if the particle size less, then we get increasing surface area. If surface area increasing, that's the ultimately the absorption rate become increases. If absorption rate become increases, then we get a desired pharmaceutical action or therapeutic action. Hence the powder particle size of powder plays a very important role, right? A glass or a porcelain mortar and pestle are generally used for trituration and suggested that apertures clean rapidly after use, right? So as I said, that is the mortar and pestle for the trituration method. Generally mortar and pestle are used, right? That is this is the apparatus. This is the apparatus, right? Either it is this apparatus either made up of glass or porcelain, right? The mortar and pestle available in two quality, that is either it is made by glass or porcelain, right? Then after using these apparatus, right, there is a suggestion one, that is apparatus clean rapidly after use. After use of these apparatus, it is very necessary to clean up this all apparatus after use, that is mortar and pestle, right? So this is our trituration, second method of preparation, right? Then geometric dilution. This is the third method from the mixing process of mixing powder, right? This mixing geometric, there is some calculation happening, right? Geometric means regarding the calculation, we need to calculate the doses, right? Sorry, powder, and mixing some other kind of diluents. Okay, let's see. This is mixing method used for the potent drug, right? This is used for the potent drug. As I said, that is potent drug has a high strength, right? It is work higher with less doses, right? आप लोगों ने देखे होंगे कि सम ऐसे बहुत सारे ड्रग्स है जो ऐसे 20 mg 10 mg इसमें दिया जाता है, राइट? मतलब उसका जो डोज है वो बहुत कम है, क्योंकि वो कम डोज में ज़्यादा इफेक्ट शो करते हैं, राइट? इससे मतलब उसका स्ट्रेंथ बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है, पावर बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है, पावरफुल रहता है, जिसे हम लोकल लैंग्वेज में बोल सकते हैं कि उसे पावरफुल बोला जाता है, दैट इज़ अ पोटेंट ड्रग, राइट? So for the mixing of potent drug, that time generally the geometric dilutions method of mixing are adopted, right? So there is some steps, right? Right? As I seen as I saw, the potent drug or potent substance are not mixed with this spatulation method, right? That time the geometric dilution method generally suggested, right? So there is some steps by which we can mix up the potent drug, right, and form a powder. So let's see. In potent drug, add some volume of diluent, same volume of diluent in a mortar and slightly mixed by a trituration, right? In which also for the geometric dilutions, right, there is a use of our apparatus, that is mortar and pestle, right? Means the trituration is happening here, right? Means we need to do trituration, right? So first of all, geometric means there is a requirement of some calculations, right? Then dilutions means addition of some other diluent, right? Addition of diluents means dilutions, right? That is there is a diluent, that is lactose. Generally for the preparation of powder dosage form of potent drug, that time the diluents, that is lactose, are used, right? Because lactose is a very stable and stable excipients, right? Means it has no pharmacological action, but it provide or its help to provide a palatability to the our dosage form, right? That is lactose. It is also used in tablet also, right? Means firstly potent drug add a potent drug add a same volume of diluents. Means if you take a 100 mg potent drug, that time you require to add a 100 mg diluent. Means same volume of diluents added in a mortar and slightly mixed by a trituration, right? then a second